Prerna, Paras and Jayashree are partners of a firm on 1/4/2016. Their capital was 1,50,000, 90,000 and 60,000 respectively. Their drawings were as follows: Prerna 15,000 on 1/7/16 and Paras 24,000 on 30/10/2016. Let's write this information. 1/4/16 opening balance. Okay, 1,50,000, 90,000 and 60,000. Then drawings. Now 1/7/16. Two drawings. Prerna 15,000 and 30/10/16. Two drawings. Paras 24,000. They distribute half of the profits in capital proportion. Now what's the capital proportion? 1,50:90:60. तो इसको बाद में देखते हैं. And remaining in the ratio of 2:2:1. Jayashree has lent out loan of 30,000 on 1/10/16 to the firm. इसका हमें अभी कुछ भी करने की जरूरत नहीं है. As per partnership deed, per annum 5% interest on capital, per annum 12% on interest on drawing is to be calculated. Paras is to be paid annual salary of 18,000 for his active role in the firm. 10% commission is to be given to Prerna from surplus of profit after providing for above mentioned provision and after deduction of her such commission. यानी क्या करेंगे इसमें 10/110. Okay, underline कर लो. After deduction of her commission, make a start. This is important point. For the year ended 31/3/17, profit of the firm before incorporation of above adjustment, but after charging interest on loan of Jayashree was 129,450. So by profit and loss account. Net profit. Transfer. 129,450. आगे बढ़ते हैं. It was decided that after consideration of above mentioned adjustment and transfer of profit and loss to capital account, please ध्यान देना, new concept, total capital of the firm would be identical to the opening capital, which should be in proportion of 2:2:1. Underline this and mark it important. This adjustment will also come in final accounts, also in adjustment and retirement of partners. Okay, very important. For this purpose, required amount to be introduced by the partners and excess amount will be withdrawn by the partners. Prepare P&L app and partners cap. Okay, let's start with the remaining adjustments now. सबसे पहले interest on capital. How much is interest on capital? 5%. So capital के नीचे interest on capital 31,370 by interest on capital. Second effect, P&L appropriation debit to interest on capital. 15,000. Next, interest on drawing at 12% per annum. 31/3/2017 to interest on drawings. 15,000 पे for how many months?
9.
कितने महीने के लिए? We come back to this. This drawings वो 50,000 was made on 1/7/2016 and 31/3/2017. 1/7 means पूरा July. So July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February and March. 9 months. So 50,000 into 12% into 9 by 12. 1350. And 24,000 pay for how many months? 30/10. So pura 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, November, December, January, February and March. 5 months. So 5%. So 1,200. Second effect, partners capital debit, P&L appropriation credit by interest on drawings. प्रेरणा 9 months के लिए 1350 एट पार्स 5 months के लिए 2550. Paras is to be paid annual salary of 18,000 to salary. Paras. Annual salary, so directly 18,000. P&L appropriation debit because it's a expense. Partners capital account credit. Paras के column. Now we have to find the commission. So do commission. Who gets the commission? Prerna. Find out the divisible profit. Credit minus debit. 99,000 into 10% है, but it is after deducting. तुम्हें समझ में आया? 99,000 का प्रॉफिट आ गया और हमें जो कमीशन देना है वो प्रॉफिट में से कमीशन डिडक्ट करने के बाद जो रह जाएगा उसके ऊपर 10% है. समझ में आया? तो दैट इज व्हाई व्हाट वी डू इज वी टेक इट 10 upon 110. 9,000. Now commission is given to a partner. So second effect, partners capital account credit side. 31,370 by commission. Now, let's find out profit first. We have a very typical adjustment over here, so don't close the capital account. Wait for me. Two partners, capital account. We'll have to do a working for this. Isn't it? So working note 1 for profit distribution. Prerna, Paras and Jaishree. What's the total profit now, which is to be distributed between partners? 90,000 मिलेगा partners को, तो उसका 10% कितना हुआ? 9,000. आ गया 9,000. समझ में आया? Why we do 10 by 110? Okay. Now half profit, which is 45,000. In what ratio? Capital ratio. Now what is the capital ratio? 1,50,000 is to 90,000 is to 60,000. Now ये 4 0 सब में cancel. So 3 का multiple है, 3 5s are 3 3s are and 3 2s are. So the ratio is 5 is to 3 is to 2. So which is total is 10. So 45,000 divided by 10 into 5. 22,500 into 3. 13,500 into 2. 9,000. 45. Remaining half profit. Again 45,000. In what ratio? 2 is to 2 is to 1. So 5. 9s are 18,000. 18,000. 9,000. Total. Prerna, Paras and Jayashree. 40,500, 31,500 and 18,000. 90,000. One lakh. Give the second effect. By P&L appropriation account 40500 31,500. Now let's say there are two partners A and B. उनका existing capital है 50,000 and 50,000, equal ratio है. Okay? अब वो ऐसा नक्की करते हैं कि कैपिटल इक्वल नहीं होना चाहिए. हमारा जो कैपिटल है वो बिजनेस का टोटल 1 लाख ही रहेगा, पर अब जो हमारा नया कैपिटल बनेगा वो बनेगा इन द रेशियो ऑफ 3:2. You understood this? यानी अब A का कैपिटल हो जाएगा 60,000 और B का कैपिटल हो जाएगा 40,000. अब मुझे ये बताओ, ये ओल्ड कैपिटल है, ओके? अब ये न्यू कैपिटल है, तो A को पैसा लाना पड़ेगा या विथड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा? टू ब्रिंग और यस टू विथड्रॉ. ऑलरेडी 50 लाया A, 50 लाया B, पर अब नक्की किया कि हमें जो कैपिटल है वो A should bring 60 and B should have 40. तो A को क्या करना पड़ेगा? 50 से 60 करने बिजनेस में लाना पड़ेगा. अब समझ में आया सबको? So A has to bring 10,000 in the business. Can I say this?
Yes.
And B has to withdraw. So 10,000 will bring and this will be withdrawn. तो हो जाएगा? सही हो जाएगा? So now the capital will be in 3:2. Now with this in your mind, come to the paragraph which we have marked important. The total capital of the firm would be identical, यानी क्या? Same. Very good. Same to the opening capital, which would be in proportion of 2:1. यानी अब ये जो मेरा ओपनिंग कैपिटल है, व्हाट्स द टोटल ऑफ ओपनिंग कैपिटल? 3 lakhs. So closing capital जो हम यहाँ पे लिखते हैं वो भी रहेगा 3 lakhs. Is this clear? Now read further. For this purpose required amount will be introduced. ये bring जो है ना, that is introduced by the partner and excess amount will be withdrawn. You understood this concept now? Now, how to do such sums is very simple. सबसे पहले you understand the steps. सबसे पहले we leave 1 or 2 lines blank over here and we write on 31,370 to balance carried forward. क्या balance carried forward आएगा? Same 3 lakh, but now in what ratio? 2:1. So 3 lakh divided by 5, 60. 1,20,000, 1,20,000 and 60,000. अभी तक हम क्या करते थे? क्रेडिट माइनस डेबिट, वी गेट द बैलेंस, और जो भी बैलेंस आया वी कैरी फॉरवर्ड. बट ओवर हियर ऐसा कहा है कि क्लोजिंग बैलेंस, क्लोजिंग कैपिटल शुड बी सेम एज द ओपनिंग कैपिटल, एंड फॉर दैट someone will bring the money and some partners may withdraw. Now ये closing आ गया. Now what we will do is, now we will do the balancing, normal balancing. यहाँ पे भी blank चाहिए मुझे एक line. Okay. Now let's take the first partner Prerna. Now normal balancing करना है. See which side is more. Credit is more. Okay, 1,50,000 plus 9 plus 7,500 plus 40,500, so 48, 57, 2,07,000. So 2,07,000 is the total. Same 2,07,000 we write over here. Are you all with me? Please ध्यान देना. समझ में आया क्या किया हमने? पहले बैलेंस लिखा, this is the first step, और फिर नॉर्मल जो बैलेंसिंग करते वैसे हमें बैलेंस करना है. नाउ क्रेडिट साइड 2,07,000 ईयर से इसमें से ये तीनों को माइनस करना पड़ेगा अब हमें. 7,0650. अब प्रेरणा का बैलेंस आया 7,0650. यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे 2 कैश बैलेंसिंग फिगर. It means, can I say this person Prerna is withdrawing the money? Can I say this? Because 2 cash is cash goes out and by cash is cash comes in. Is this clear? Okay. Now let's go to Paras. This is 1,44,000. So 1,45,200. And this is how much? 1,44,000. So which side is more? Over here now. 1 lakh debit side is more, 1,45,200. Same we write over here, 1,45,200. And the difference is 1,200. Here we write by cash. Balancing figure. You understood the meaning of the word balancing? जो रह गया, debit minus credit or credit minus debit. Jai Shri. Now which side is more? Credit side is more. 81,000. Same we write over here, 81,000 minus 60, so 21. You understood how it is to be done? 2 partners will withdraw and 1 partner will introduce. That's what the balance is, 1,4. My balance was 1,20,000, 1,20,000 and 60. कैश का सेकेंड इफेक्ट चला जाएगा कैश अकाउंट में. जब हम फुल फ्लेजेड सम्स करेंगे रिटायरमेंट के एडमिशन में, देयर विल बी कैश अकाउंट. दिस विल गो टू, सेकेंड इफेक्ट विल गो टू cash account. Just go through the sums one again. Okay, हो गया सबका ये. अच्छा, ये लास्ट पार्ट पता चल गया सबको. This is very important. क्लोजिंग कैपिटल वाला पता चला, पहले हमने क्लोजिंग कैपिटल लिखा, फिर नॉर्मल ही बैलेंसिंग करना है, डेबिट माइनस क्रेडिट एंड क्रेडिट माइनस डेबिट, एंड जो डिफरेंस आएगा दैट विल बी टू कैश और बाय। Mehta receives his share 4 times of Pandya. Now let's write Pandya, Mehta and Bajpai. Mehta receives his share 4 times of Pandya. So if Pandya is 1, Mehta is 4. X लेके मत करना, X लेके मत करना, okay? You create lots of confusion while solving it. You take 1 or you take 100, okay? Then Bajpai receives half of share of Mehta, so 2. So what we have to find, profit for the year end is 87,500. Profit for the year is equal to 87,500. Therefore, share of Pandya is equal to 87,500 into total क्या आ रहा है सबका 4 and 1 5 6 and 7. So 1 by 7 share of Mehta 87,500 into 4 by 7 and share of Bajpai 87,500 into 2 by 7. What's your 1? 12,500. 50,000. That's right. And 25. Answer. Simple. Okay, always assume 1. That's the best. Okay, X मत करना, उससे भी कर सकते, but थोड़ा complicated हो जाए. Profit of the partnership firm of Sheila, Surbhi and Samkit is 1,35,000. They have shared the profit in ratio of 2:1:3 instead of 3:2:3. Instead of 3:2:3. What accounting treatment is to be given to capital account to rectify this error? Now, first, let's write the heading. Sheila, Surbhi and Samkit. Now, सबसे पहले wrong profit distribution. In what ratio? In 2:1:3. So total is 6. So 1,35,000 divided by 6. 22,500 into 2. So 45,000. 22,500. 67,500. करेक्ट कितना होना चाहिए था प्रॉफिट? करेक्ट प्रॉफिट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन the ratio of 3:2:3. 50625. 33750. Difference. Now don't write plus or minus, please. Just find the difference. नाउ नॉर्मली अगर तुम करोगे तो इसको तुम कर दोगे माइनस, इसको भी कर दोगे माइनस, इसको करोगे प्लस, isn't it? But when we have to pass the accounting entry, हमें कैसे पता चलेगा कि शीला को डेबिट करना है या क्रेडिट? ये माइनस डेबिट दिखा रहा है या क्रेडिट, वो कैसे पता चलेगा? मुझे तो नहीं पता चल रहा है, तो कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट हो सकता है। फिर तुम्हें इसमें घोखना पड़ेगा कि पहले ये लिखा फिर यही लिखना है, माइनस आए तो डेबिट और प्लस आए तो क्रेडिट, या माइनस आए तो क्रेडिट या प्लस आए तो डेबिट। You understood this? Because plus and minus will not help us make the journal entry. What we want debit or credit. So what we do is, now signs we'll put later. Now wrong profit, whenever profit is given to partners in the capital account, we record on the credit side. पर ये wrong हो गया तो इसको हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? डेबिट करना पड़ेगा. We have to reverse what is wrong. So this will be debited, this capital account will be debited, and this will also be debited. और बाकी क्या हो जाएगा? ये सब क्या हो जाएगा? Credit. Reverse what is wrong and do what is correct. Now can you tell me कि ये debit आएगा कि credit? Which side is more? Credit side is more. So difference will be credit. Which one is more? Credit. Which one is more? Debit. Now can you make the entry? Okay, please don't go for plus minus method. Even if in the school it is taught like that. Because फिर उसमें अगर एग्जाम में तुमने ये रिवर्स कर दिया तो you can make a mistake and your answer will go wrong. Okay, now we write the journal entry. Make a 6-line journal entry format. Now, date is given. Is the date given? No. So we directly pass the entry. Debit कौन होगा? Sanket's capital account will be debited. So we write Sanket capital account debit 16875 to Sheila's capital account 5625 to Surbi capital account 11250. Narration. Don't forget the narration, otherwise you'll lose marks. The rectification of profit wrongly credited in 2:1:3 instead of 3:2:3. Ram, Rahim, Ishu. This sum में we have Ram, Rahim and Ishu are partners of a partnership firm. Their capital as on 1/4/16 was 60,000, 40,000 and 50,000 respectively. After the distribution of the profit of the year, once again I'll read. After the distribution of the profit of the year, it was realized that charging of 6% interest on partners' capital was missed out. You understood this? क्या गलती हुआ? Interest on capital का entry pass किया ही नहीं. Okay. Write an entry for rectification of error. Now सबसे पहले let's write the opening capital. opening capital is 60,000, 40,000 and 50,000. Interest on capital पहले फाइंड करना पड़ेगा ना. At the rate, what percent is this? 6%. So, over here, we had to give to our partners 3,600 to Ram, 2,400 to Rahim, and 3,000 to Ishu. Is the sum over? मेरे शक्ल पे लिखा है ना, खत्म नहीं हुआ है ना. क्यों? और क्या करना है वापस? रेक्टिफिकेशन एंट्री पास करना है. क्या एंट्री पास करेंगे हम इन पार्टनर्स को क्रेडिट कर देंगे और इंटरेस्ट को डेबिट कर देंगे. Isn't it? That is this an error of omission? Yes, it is an error of omission. But this is not the entry we will pass. ये सम है ना, सिर्फ हाफ ही हुआ है. ओके, ध्यान दो. ये इसमें क्या हो रहा है? ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द कंसेप्ट प्लीज, बिकॉज नेक्स्ट सम इज सिमिलर. इट इज इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्रॉइंग्स. नाउ इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल. सो कम टू दिस P&L appropriation account. Okay, and we have partners capital account. अब ध्यान दें, interest on capital. What's the total amount? 3,600 plus 2,400, 6 and 3, 9,000. 9,000. यहाँ पे हमने रिकॉर्ड किया नहीं. ध्यान दो प्लीज, यहाँ पे हमने रिकॉर्ड किया नहीं. तो कहना से इसकी वजह से मेरा प्रॉफिट 9,000 से इंक्रीज हो गया. अच्छा, ये 9,000 गया किसको? पार्टनर्स को ही गया ना. इंटरेस्ट भी किसको जाता है? पार्टनर्स को भी जाता है. पर फर्क क्या है? प्रॉफिट जाता है प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो में, और इंटरेस्ट जाता है इन द रेशियो ऑफ द कैपिटल व्हाट दे हैव बॉट इन द बिजनेस. तो because we forgot to write this, can I say 9,000 went to partners wrongly as a profit? We should not have gone as a profit. Now ये सब में प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो दिया है? नहीं दिया है. तो ये जो 9,000 था, it should have gone 3,600, 2,400 and 3,000. But because we did not write this, excess profit went to partner 3,000, 3,000 and 3,000. Isn't this a mistake? तो पहले हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? जो गलत प्रॉफिट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया है वो हमें पार्टनर से वापस लेना पड़ेगा. अंडरस्टूड दिस कंसेप्ट? वंस अगेन ध्यान दो. अगर तुम यहाँ पे एक्सपेंस का एंट्री करना भूल गए तो कहने से प्रॉफिट बढ़ जाएगा. जैसा प्रॉफिट बढ़ा, पार्टनर्स ने ले लिया वो प्रॉफिट. अब 9,000 wrongly went to the partners in their profit sharing ratio, which we have to reverse it now. So here we will write reversal of profit wrongly credited to partners to the extent of interest on capital. To the extent of interest on capital. यानी ये जो 9,000 था, फिर से एक बार मैं बता रहा हूँ जिनको नहीं समझ में आया, ये जो 9,000 यहाँ रिकॉर्ड नहीं किया तो प्रॉफिट बढ़ गया 9,000. तो इससे सब क्या फर्क पड़ा? ये भी पार्टनर्स को जाता है, वो भी पार्टनर्स को जाता है. करेक्ट है, यू आर राइट. It goes to the partner, but it goes in wrong proportion. Okay, profit goes 3,000, 3,000, 3,000. Whereas if it was interest, it would have been 3,600, 2,400 and 3,000. तो गलत है ना? जिसको 2,400 मिलना चाहिए उसको कितना मिल गया? 3,000 मिला. समझ में आया? What the impact of this error was? You understood the impact? तो हमें ना पहले ये wrong profit को reverse करना पड़ेगा. So here we will write 3000, 3000 and 3000. Understood this? You understood the concept, all of you. This sum will surely come. Okay? Now, ये profit है जो wrongly credit हुआ, तो profit को कर देंगे debit, debit and debit. Reverse कर देंगे और credit क्या करना पड़ेगा? Interest on capital. तो ये हो जाएगा credit, credit और credit. Can we find the difference now? This will be 600 credit, 600 debit and no impact. यानी because of this error issue को कोई फर्क पड़ता नहीं है. उसको इंटरेस्ट के बदले प्रॉफिट के तरीके से पैसा मिल गया, कैपिटल में ऐड हो गया. ओके, बट राम will be credited now and Rahim will be debited. Understood this? All of you understood the concept? Okay, here also you don't follow plus or minus, follow debit or credit. Is this clear? Okay, कैसे पता चलेगा क्रेडिट करना है या डेबिट? जो रॉन्ग है उसको रिवर्स किया, प्रॉफिट इज ऑलवेज क्रेडिट, तो उसको रिवर्स करेंगे तो प्रॉफिट हो जाएगा डेबिट. और इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल हम क्रेडिट साइड रिकॉर्ड करते, सबको पता है, तो ये हो जाएगा क्रेडिट. गॉट इट? Okay, so entry will be by rupees 600 and 600. You may do all this scribbling, okay, it will help you. Okay, now, date, credit units, LF, so rectification is 31/3/2017. Where it is debited? Rahim. Rahim capital account debit 600 to Ram's capital account 600. Naresh. B. Rectification of interest on capital omitted, now rectified. Now जैसे इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल रह गया तो प्रॉफिट इंक्रीज हो गया. अब अगर इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्रॉइंग्स रह गया तो प्रॉफिट क्या हो जाएगा? डिक्रीज हो जाएगा. ट्राई द नेक्स्ट सम. Try the next sum with this concept in your mind. Question 8. Again important. We have three partners, Lata, Geeta and Praveena. Now after distribution of the profit of the year, it was realized that charging of interest on partners' drawings account respectively 2700, 1200 and 1500 was missed out. Write an entry for rectification of the error. Now interest on drawings 2700 and 1200 and 1500 हमें पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट में डेबिट करना था. डेबिट करते ना on the debit side. Now what's the total? 5400. Is profit sharing ratio given? Because interest on drawing record करना भूल गए हम, चेन्नई से पार्टनर्स को कम प्रॉफिट मिला. To what extent कम मिला? 5700 से partners got less profit. Understood this? So profit distributed less by rupees 5,400 in equal ratio 1:1:1. Now हम तीनों पार्टनर्स को ये दे देंगे अब 1800 credit, 1800 credit and 1800 credit. 900 debit, 600 credit, 300 credit. All of you understood this now? Concept पता चल गया? Okay. Journal entry format. We write the entry. Date is not given. So Lata's capital account debit, to Geeta's capital account 600, to Praveena's capital account 300. Being rectification of interest on drawings, wrongly omitted, now rectified. Question number 9 में Mukesh, Dhaval and Vinod are partners of a partnership firm. Their capital proportion is 4:2:3. Dhaval has given an assurance to Mukesh that he will get minimum 35,000 from the profit. Now Dhaval और विनोद ने गारंटी दी है मुकेश को कि तुम्हें मिनिमम 35,000 तो मिलेगा ही. The profit of the year is 90,000. How would you distribute the profit amongst the partners? Now, over here, first let's write the name of the partners. Mukesh, Dhaval and Vinod. Let's write. अच्छा, कैपिटल प्रोपोर्शन से हमें कुछ भी करना है. What's the profit sharing ratio? Equal, because capital proportion से हमें कोई फर्क पड़ता नहीं है. So we write profit for the year. कितना मिलना चाहिए? 30,000, 30,000 and 30,000. In what ratio? 1:1:1. Now comes the problem. Minimum मुकेश को कितना मिलना चाहिए? तो इसको 5,000 प्लस करना पड़ेगा. ध्यान देना प्लीज, ये सब्स में आएगा एडमिशन में, रिटायरमेंट में. Now ये 5,000 कौन बेयर करेगा? धवल एंड विनोद. कौन से रेशियो में? It will be equal. जो प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो है वही रेशियो में. यहाँ पे ऐसा दिया नहीं है कि किसकी ये पार्टनर का डेफिसिट जो है वो ये रेशियो में जाएगा. तो इट विल बी इन इक्वल रेशियो. तो ये हो जाएगा -2500 और ये भी हो जाएगा -2500. अंडरस्टूड? ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड दिस? अगर 3:2:1 होता तो डेफिसिट 2:1 में चला जाता. गॉट इट? ओके अगर एक ही पार्टनर ने गारंटी दिया होता तो उसमें से हम पूरा कर देते माइनस. All of you understood this? Okay, find out the final profit. Profit to be distributed. $35,000 मिल गया मुकेश को. 27,500. 27. The closing capital of Raghuveer is 80,000, in which 12,500 drawings of current year and profit of 17,800 are recorded. What will be 6% interest per annum on opening capital? Can you tell me the amount? Capital is 80,000. Interest is 6%. What will be the amount of interest? Now see, here the whole point is, ध्यान दो, तो रिवाइंड करो. हम जब कैपिटल लिखते थे क्रेडिट साइड पे ओपनिंग बैलेंस, तो इंटरेस्ट वाज ऑलवेज कैलकुलेटेड ऑन द ओपनिंग बैलेंस, बट इन दिस सम ओपनिंग बैलेंस इज नॉट गिवन. What is given? Closing balance. Now how to come to opening balance from closing balance? ध्यान दो, capital, we have opening capital. इस कैपिटल में हो जाता है ऐड प्रॉफिट, सब्सट्रैक्ट हो जाता है ड्राइंग्स, और उसके बाद जो रह जाता है वो है हमारा क्लोजिंग कैपिटल. नाउ इन दिस सब closing capital of 80,000 is given, drawings of 12,500 is given, and profit of 17,800 is given. Can we find the opening capital? Yes. Now how to present this? सबको समझ में आया? Normally क्या करते हैं? Opening plus profit, debit side minus drawings, तो मिल जाता है बैलेंस. अब हमारे पास बैलेंस है, क्लोजिंग बैलेंस है, ड्राइंग्स है, प्रॉफिट है. कैन वी फाइंड दिस? हाउ? क्लोजिंग कैपिटल. वी स्टार्ट विद क्लोजिंग कैपिटल. द सेम. नाउ क्लोजिंग कैपिटल इज 80,000. इसमें ड्राइंग्स क्या हो जाएगा? प्लस साइड चेंज. अंडरस्टूड दिस? सो हो जाएगा प्लस एड drawings. $12,500. प्रॉफिट क्या हो जाएगा? माइनस. लेस प्रॉफिट. What's the opening capital? 7400. Therefore, interest on capital is equal to 74700 into 6 post. Rupees 4488. 11th sum. A, B and C are partners sharing profit and loss in equal proportion. BIA. Their capital is of 4,50,000. Proportion of capital is 1:3:2. Firm pays interest on capital at 9% per annum. Partner C has received 73,500 including interest on capital. Determine the amount payable including interest on capital of A and B. Okay, let's write A, B and C. Capital. $4,50,000 in 1:3:2. 75,000, 2,25,000 and 1,50,000. Okay. Interest on capital. What's the percent? 9%. 6,750. 1,350. Now, profit received by C is equal to 73,500 minus 13,500 interest. 60,000 profit for 1/3 share. So सबका profit कितना आएगा? It's going to remain the same. Therefore, share of profit in 1:1:1. 60,000, 60,000, 60,000. 66750, 80250, and 73,500. Therefore, amount payable to A, rupees 66750, and to B, rupees 80250. Answer.